In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on your Google Adsense account. Whether you're looking to understand your dashboard better, or you simply prefer to use the platform in a language that's more comfortable for you, we have your back. Let's dive straight into it and make your Adsense journey a tad smoother. First off, head over to the main page of Google Adsense. You can do this by typing Google Adsense, earn website monetization into your browser. This will direct you right to where you need to be, ensuring you're on the legitimate platform to avoid any privacy concerns. Once you've landed on the Adsense homepage, your next step is to log into your account. Look for the sign in button. It's usually prominently displayed, but if for some reason you can't find it, try refreshing the page or using a different browser. Remember, the goal here is to access your dashboard where all the magic happens. After clicking sign in, you're going to enter the realm of secure authentication. Here, you'll input your email associated with your Adsense account. Double check for typos. It's easy to misspell without realizing, and we don't want you locked out of your own account. Next up, it's time to key in your password. Take a moment to ensure your typing is accurate. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so capitalization matters. If you've forgotten your password, don't fret. Use the forgot password link for assistance, but keep in mind the recovery steps to follow. Now that you're successfully logged in, navigate your way to the home page of your Google Adsense account. This is typically one click away from your initial dashboard or welcome page. It's your central hub for everything from viewing your earnings to adjusting your settings. Speaking of settings, let's head there next. Find the Settings tab. It might take a moment to locate if you're new to the platform, but it's generally represented with a gear icon or simply labelled as Settings. Click on it to proceed. Within the Settings menu, you're going to search for the Personal Settings option. This is where Google Adsense allows you to customize your account preferences to better suit your needs. It's designed to ensure you have the most comfortable and personalized experience while using their service. Now you're at the crux of our tutorial today. Changing your display language. Look for the display language section within your personal settings. It might be listed directly, or you might have to click through a couple of options to find it, but rest assured, it's there, waiting for you to make your selection. Once you've clicked on display language, a list of languages will be displayed. Google Adsense supports a multitude of languages, so take a moment to browse through and select the one that you're most comfortable with. Lastly, some account settings may also prompt you to confirm the email associated with your account, often referred to as login email. If prompted, it's simply a double check mechanism to ensure that any changes made are communicated to you accurately. So click on that if necessary. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated the process of changing your Google Adsense account's display language. It's a simple task, but if you're doing it for the first time, it's understandable to need a little guidance. Remember, your comfort is key in managing your Adsense account efficiently. Before we wrap up, a couple of quick tips. Always ensure your browser is up to date before attempting to change settings in your Adsense account. This can prevent unexpected glitches. Additionally, if you're using Adsense on a shared computer, remember to log out after making any changes to protect your account's integrity. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on changing the language settings in your Google Adsense account. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Adsense tips and tricks. Let's make your monetization journey as smooth as possible. Until next time.